Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an updated video sharing with you guys how I got this low sleek bun on my natural hair, and I've been getting so many compliments about this hairstyle, so today I'm just going to get into it and show you guys how I achieved this hairstyle. So if you guys would like to see how I achieved this hairstyle, just please keep watching. Starting off by taking off my wig, and today my hair is in one big jumbo plait, and this is one of the styles which I showed you guys in my 5 easy hairstyles for doing your hair in while you're around the house. So yeah, I just put my hair in this plait and I had it in this plait for about 3 days, and yeah, I just put my wig on it when I need to go out. Then after that, I'm going in now with some Styler gel, and I'm applying the gel to my hair in sections. Then after applying the gel to my hair, I'm just going in with my hard bristle brush and brushing that to sleek it down before I put it in a hair tie. And I just keep adding gel to the sections and then adjusting the hair tie as I go along until all the hair is nicely sleeked back. Now when I have the last section at the front of my head, I go ahead and straighten up my parting, and then I'm just detangling it a little bit before I go in and brush it. And then I just continue to add some Styler Argan Oil Gel to the hair to sleek it into the rest of the hair that's at the back. Now that the hair is completely neat and it's laying slick in one, this is where I go in with the next step, and I'm taking now some Gorilla Snot gel, and this gel is really good for giving you this nice sleek hold. I do get a lot of comments from you guys saying that you can't find a gel to control your hair, to tame your hair, but if you've tried this one and it didn't work for you, you guys need to hit me up, man. This one is so good at sleeking back my hair without making it feel dried out, but it does flake a lot. So if you have a problem with the product start to flake after a few days, especially if you brush it while it's dry, so if you want to brush it, I would suggest that you wet the hair first and then you brush it. So yeah, apart from the flaking, it's a really good gel for sleeking back your hair without making your hair feel too stiff or too dry. And then I'm just going in with my brush and just brushing it in, sleeking it in, making it nice and neat to my liking. And I'm taking my donut, so I just put that around the hair, and then I'm going in with another hair tie. Oh, I did rub some gel on my hair first, some Styler Argan Oil Gel on my hair, just to smooth it down a little bit so I have less frizzing. And then I just put the hair tie over it, and then I'm just smoothing it around like you guys see me doing right here to tame it under the bun and to keep it into the hair tie. after neatening up my dumpling or my donut, I'm just going in again with some more Styler Argan Oil Gel and just placing that over the top parts of the bun that we'll be showing, and just making sure that it looks smooth and nice. And then I'm going in with another hair tie to just ensure that all the flyaways are well tamed in. So this is the finished look, guys. It's a really quick and simple hairstyle, and it's done within a few minutes. So you can get this done in less than 5 minutes on your hair, and it's just absolutely beautiful and it's so neat, and I just think it's a gorgeous hairstyle. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to give me a like, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please be sure to do so before you leave. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell, that way you'll be notified each week when I post a new video. So guys, I thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.